New generator. Let's have a look at it. It's just come out the box. It's a Richmond 50L. It's brand new, straight out of there. Look, 50L. Nice bit of kit. I'm going to use it for spraying, obviously, the cars. But just to get a glimpse of what it looks like and what we've got to do to set it up. So some wheels down here. So we're going to fit those on first. Got an instruction manual here. Let's have a look. Okay. Air filter. Red bung. We got a red bung. Glass light window. Regulator valve. Thermal start switch on the side. Does it tell me how to build my machine though? Oh, here we go. Wheels. So, wheel, washer, spring washer, nut. And then the feet push on, apparently, onto. Okay, so we put the bolt through the wheel, one washer on one side, washer on the other, and then the spring washer, and then the nut. So now all we have to do is tighten that up. These are both done now, tight. So now we've got to put the feet on there, the rubber feet. Basically do the same sort of thing. Okay, so we've just attached the rubber feet on there. The wheels are fitted. So let's have a look at the machine slightly. It's only plastic, but good little motor there, I guess. There's the air valve there. Pressure there, I guess. There's the emergency stop there, off button there. So yeah, so that's the generator. Oh no, it's not a generator, no. So that's the Richmond 50L compressor. So what did I get with this kit? Well, unboxed, and it came with accessories as well, which I paid extra for. But all in all, this compressor was £140 delivered, which I think is pretty good. Seeing that some of them I was offered for well over 200. This is actually 250 quid. It was in a sale, so. But it's looks quite a nice bit of kit. So I'll just open up the accessories now. Okay, as far as accessories are concerned, this is what I got. There's an oil. Looks like an oil gun of some sort. Got a hose and a beginner cheapy. Can't even open that out. But yeah, the hose is there. The starter gun. very useful tool is the tyre pressure, which I will need for that car because I ain't got a clue with those, so it'd be easier to use that. So it's quite a nice bit of kit. There's the bottle for gravity feed sprayer, and this is an air sprayer, which is good for cleaning up the unit and cleaning out the engine base. That's really dusty, so I'll look forward to using that. So yeah, that's all of it then. All of that for 140 quid, not bad. Okay, so if you'd like to see me with this in action, then obviously comment, subscribe and come back to projects for more. Thank you.